Here's how to convert OGG audio to FLAC or FLAC audio. So I have a sample OGG file right here. I can click and drag it or multiple into ConvertSave. This is awesome file converter that my brother and I are working on, and it's super quick and fast. So basically you go to select output, and then you're going to select what? We're going to FLAC, convert. That's it. It's that simple. So you drag, drop, convert, save. You can do batch conversions. This all happens offline on your desktop. And so you download ConvertSave, and it works with tools that are on your computer or that you can install, and then it just knows which tools to use. It's really awesome. And it also works for images, video, and audio as well. And it works for Windows and Mac. So if you want to check it out, I was sick of going to random websites and having to do all these different conversions and uploading to who knows what server, who knows how long they're actually going to keep those files. You got to download them. You got to take them from your downloads folder, organize them back on your computer. ConvertSave will just save it right next to wherever the original file came from, which is really efficient and fast. And you also can add a bunch of different options to your conversions. By the way, you can find this at convertsave.com, or I'll leave links down below on this video in the description. Basically, when you go to your advanced options, you're going to see what tool is being used. You're going to see the conversion that we're looking at, and also the default options for that conversion, and you can add custom flags as well. So if you know what those are, you can actually send these commands to the conversion tool, and it will do all sorts of things with that conversion. So if we go to the options builder, it's a little bit easier to see for beginner users or even intermediate. I mean, I don't know what I'm typing with this stuff, but I do know what audio bitrate or volume is, or start time and end time to trim the audio. So there's a lot of different stuff here that you can select, toggle on and off, select different parameters, put in your own values, and it builds out the command for you that you can then use as your default command anytime you drag OGG in and want to convert to FLAC, or maybe just this one time I'm going to do a conversion specific, or I want to, for images, I can resize, recolor, I can even crop, and for video, adjust the frame rate or the resolution. There's so many different things depending on what you're doing conversion wise, and you can add those all in the option builder here, and it's super simple. Drag and drop, convert, and save. I hope you guys can find this as a value add to your workflow. Maybe it makes things more efficient, saves you some time. I know it saves me a lot of time, and I'm really happy with the direction we're heading with it, and we're working on adding a lot more things like an image editor and even more stuff, supporting more formats, etc. That's how I convert OGG to FLAC or FLAC. I appreciate you guys, appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next one.